Tonight, Jack wears a pink shirt.
Your pink shirt on. Okay. That's good on camera.
Max does a face. And Jack draws on a whiteboard.
The water cycle is the process by which water circulates between the ocean, atmosphere, and land. In this video, we will explain all the different factors of the water cycle and how they work. Also, we will talk about the input, output, transfers, and storages of these processes.
Evaporation is the process of vaporization of a liquid. It happens when a body of water is heated up. It causes the vaporization of the water. The result of this is that the steam rises into the atmosphere. Evaporation is an output of the water cycle because it is extracting liquid from a body of water into the atmosphere.
Evapotranspiration is the sum of plant transpiration and evaporation. Plant transpiration is the loss of water from leaves into the atmosphere through vaporization. Evaporation from soil and small water bodies also form part of the evapotranspiration process. Because it is very difficult to extinguish through which process water has been vaporized, the process known as evapotranspiration. Evapotranspiration is an output just like evaporation because it's extracting liquid from the Earth's surface into the atmosphere.
Sublimation is the transition of a substance directly from a solid to a gas, without passing through the liquid phase. For example, the glacier's ice evaporates without being a liquid. Sublimation is therefore more common on the peaks of mountains, where ice can form and sublimate into the atmosphere as water vapor. Sublimation is an output of the water cycle because water is extracted from the ground into the Earth's atmosphere.
Condensation is a transition from gas into liquid. This is the opposite of evaporation. The water vapor has to react with a solid or liquid cooling it down, creating water droplets. For instance, when water evaporates from a body of water, it condenses and forms a cloud, fog, or mist. This is an input because it can deposit water from the atmosphere to the Earth's surface.
Precipitation is the product of atmospheric water vapor falling due to gravity. Precipitation can come in the shape of rain, snow, hail, etc. Precipitation occurs when a portion of water vapor saturates and gravity causes it to fall to the Earth's surface. Precipitation is an input because it deposits water from the atmosphere to the Earth's surface.
Infiltration is the process where water goes through the surface and into the soil. This happens due to gravity and capillary action. The rate of infiltration decreases as the soil becomes more saturated. Saturated soil is useful because it helps to grow vegetation. Infiltration also decreases the chance of a flood because the water can go through the surface. Infiltration is a storage because it stores water in the soil.
Surface runoff is the flow of water across the Earth's surface. Types of surface runoff include river, streams, and floods. Runoff occurs because soil is fully saturated or if the ground is impermeable. A land area which produces runoff that drains to a common point is called the drainage basin. Urbanization increases surface runoff by creating more impermeable surfaces, such as tarmac and concrete. This increases the chance of flooding. The increase of runoff reduces groundwater storage, making droughts worse. Surface runoff is a transfer because it transports water from the upper course to the water body.